In this fast-paced world, real estate investing presents a powerful opportunity to build substantial wealth and financial independence. By leveraging your skills, resources, and determination, you can embark on an exciting journey toward becoming a real estate millionaire. Let's dive in. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and turning on notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. My name is Corey Ann and I'm excited to share my real estate investment journey with you. I have been investing in cash flow real estate since 2001 and it has helped me achieve financial independence. I hope by sharing my experiences, I can inspire you to invest in cash flow real estate so that you can achieve your financial goals too and make an impact on people around you. Have you wondered how you can become a real estate millionaire in your 30s while having and enjoying your full-time professional career? Here are the proven steps you can follow to become a real estate millionaire in your 30s while enjoying your current full-time professions. Stay tuned until the end to discover the 5 key strategies that will pave your path to success. Number 1 is setting the stage. First, setting the stage for your real estate journey is about defining your goals. Take the time to define your financials and lifestyle goal. Determine what being a real estate millionaire means to you. Visualize the lifestyle you want to build for yourself and the level of financial freedom you aim to achieve. As you start this new journey, it is important to educate yourself. Investing in real estate requires knowledge and expertise. Educate yourself by attending seminars, workshops, industry conferences, and even leveraging the online resources, reading books, real estate blogs, and seek guidance from experienced mentors. Build a strong foundation of knowledge to navigate the complexity of the market. Number 2 is creating your strategy. Identify your niche is the first step to creating your strategy. Real estate offers numerous investment options. Identify your niche. Focus on the area that align with your skill, interest, and market opportunity. Consider residential properties, commercial buildings, or even specialized segments like vacation rentals or student housing. You should only focus on one niche and be good at it first before acquiring the next niche. It will take a few years to master one niche at a time given you are working full-time on your professional career. After identifying your niche, the next step of creating your strategy is to develop a plan. Create a comprehensive investment plan that outlines your strategy, timeline, and financial projections. Consider factors like financing options, risk tolerance, and market strengths. Set specific milestones and create an actionable step to stay focused and motivated. I believe in planning is the key to reaching your one's financial milestone. I remember back when I started to invest in real estate, I wanted to invest in at least 2 cash flow properties per year based on what I know of how much savings I have each year for my active income career. Number 3 is building your financial foundations. To invest in real estate, it is crucial to have the right financial foundations. As part of this step, you want to assess your finances, evaluate your current financial situations, including income, expenses, and debts. Determine how much you can allocate toward your real estate investments while maintaining a solid emergency fund and managing your existing financial obligations. Besides financial foundation, there is another foundation that is important in your real estate journey, and that is building your network and professionals. Surround yourself with a team of trusted professionals, including real estate agents, mortgage brokers, attorneys, and accountants, leveraging their expertise to make informed decisions, negotiating favorable deals, and streamline the investment process. You can build a very scalable real estate portfolio by working with other reputable professionals I just mentioned above. Real estate is a people business, so having these professionals can protect you to avoid some costly mistakes that you may overlook. Do not worry about the cost because when you acquire the right project, it will cover all of these costs. Number 4 is executing your investment strategies. Once you have your goals, strategy, and foundation down, you are ready to execute. And three important activity out is A to Z of real estate investing are identify your deals, financing your acquisitions, and managing your investment. To identify lucrative deals, research potential investment opportunities regularly, analyze market trends, locations, rental incomes, and potential for future appreciation. Conduct thorough due diligence and don't hesitate to seek expert advice when evaluating properties. To finance your acquisitions, explore financing options such as traditional mortgages, private money loans, partnership, or even crowdfunding. Evaluate the pros and cons of each method and choose the one that aligns with your goals and financial capacity. It's very important to understand the cost of capital. This is one of the key components of investing. You want to use other people's money to build your long-term wealth. At the same time, you do not want to over-leverage and take on the risk that you cannot reverse. Once you are acquired properties, focus on effective property and asset management. Managing your investment, if you choose to be a hands-on investor, ensure you have the time, skills, and inclination to handle tenant issues, repair, and ongoing maintenance. Alternately, consider hiring a professional property management company to handle the day-to-day operations. As you outsource the property management, you can focus your attention more on the asset management or the overall strategy of the investment. Number 5, scale your portfolio. You are now on the last step, scaling your portfolio. If you like to think of this step as a rinse and repeat, as your investment grow, consider reinvesting profits to expand your portfolio. Reinvesting your profits. Reinvesting can help you accelerate wealth accumulations and increase cash flow. Evaluate opportunity to diversify your portfolio, such as exploring different property types or expanding into a new geographic locations. Real estate market evolve and successful investors adapt accordingly. Continue educations and adaptations. Stay up to date with the industry trends, economic indications, and legal changes that could impact your investments. Attending workshops, webinars, conferences, and leveraging real estate related podcasts and online resources to expand your knowledge and refine your strategies. Becoming a real estate millionaire in your 30s is an achievable goal, especially for professional women or men with great incomes. With determination, education, and a well-executed plan, you can unlock the doors to financial independence and build long-term wealth. Remember, real estate investment is a journey that requires patience, perseverance, and continuous learning. Start today and pace your path to real estate millionaire success. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thank you for watching. Let's learn, invest, and make an impact. Ciao!